In today's vlog, we will explore Europe's last wild river. This is Vosa, Albania.
This map shows where Vjosa river goes, and it starts from the Three Bridges point, which is a border point between Albania and Greece. Basically, it starts flowing from Greek border. A part of Vjosa river actually is in Greece, and then continue on to Permet city, and later on it flows to Adriatic Sea. It basically crosses all over Albania.
Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. I'm Don, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe down. Now we are going to explore and cross the last Europe wild river, the Europe last wild river, sorry for the phrase, which means that this is the only river in Europe that is untouched. It's originally as nature had made it, and this is so important. In recent years, Vjosa haven't been like super popular, but nowadays a lot of celebrities like Leonardo DiCaprio or others have made this popular because they have forced Albanian government to make Vjosa river unprotected area. And yeah, now a couple of months before, the Albanian government decided to do that thing, and now Vjosa is protected, and this is the last wild river, which means you can't have dams or electricity power plants and yeah in this river. So this is then like the last wild river in Europe for a long time.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began.
19th century from the Italian, I think, and now it's been renovated, of course. But what activities can you do in Vjosa? You can do rafting in some part of the river because it's not allowed it everywhere. You can do kayaking, which is absolutely unenjoyable here. And here is the water not that streamy and it's really calm, so you can do also diving, but those days has been rainy, and this makes the water color not that bluey that Vjosa should be. It's like a dirty water, looks like a dirty water actually, because there's been a lot of mixed waters from the rain. This is the reason why we are having why we are having this kind of water. And yeah, also it's distinct for the Vjosa that have a lot of rocks and shores, which are absolutely beautiful ones.
Before you go to sleep, keep on our shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began, to start again. Won't see the light until the dawn.
So in the rocks, a lot of people come, stay down, just lay down with their towels and go and do some bath and also jump in the water. Something I'm not going to do today because it's a little bit like not very clean, the water, and yeah, I'm not going to like that. So another activity that you can do in Vjosa, of course, it's not totally allowed, but in some parts you can do fishing. Probably the locals here are elderly people because the youth has emigrated to other countries, don't have a lot of opportunities here. So, but let's go and talk to him if this man have catch any fish. Nie? Ka peshka po jo? Ka. Shumë, po, ka rënë shisi që duket se. Ka rënë shisi shumë I turbullt. Veç me shëndet. So yeah, the fishing experience hasn't been that good for him today because we have a lot of mixed waters and it's really, yeah, has been a lot of rain, and yeah, that have made to not have fish and also to be like mixed water and dirty one.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look.
Okay, so now we'll fill up our bottles of water in a spring that is called with Totevelen. And yeah. Also, I'm going to show you a beautiful part down. The reason we are here, this is Drinos River, but we are doing a vlog for Vjosa River. The reason I'm here is because Drinos is the main tributary or water supply to the Vjosa River. This is the truth, and this is so unique. And this place is absolutely beautiful. Some waterfalls, beautiful restaurants and hotels, and you can come and enjoy it by yourself. Actually, in these places have dozens of water springs that come and go to the river, close to the river, and that's why the Vjosa River and its habitat is so unique. So we are at a rock now to the river, but it's extremely heat. It's like 37 degrees in September. It's mind-blowing. Now we have stopped in another place. It's another viewpoint and highly recommended for everyone that do this trip or cross the Vjosa River. It's in culture and it's like an oasis point, and it's also a restaurant over here that we are stopping to eat something because we are starving, have all day without eating. And also I'm going to show you some beautiful views that this place can offer. And yeah, it's really beautiful than Scannery. So yeah, it's like an iron bridge that also the cars can cross and go to the club. I don't know if it is that stable, but looks okay. And yeah, I would highly recommend this place. This is really beautiful actually. Also there are some local sellers that sells like bio products. I think bio products like tea, green tea, or I think we are going to search for the toilet and then eat something probably. Come on, Miri, don't tire me. Pool. Water fountain, but let's fresh up a little bit. So this is the view from the club or restaurant that I say. It's nice, and also the shadow of the trees make to feel a lot fresher than actually it is, because even it's autumn, it's like 35 degrees today. So yeah, you can do a lot of adventure here, but firstly, if you are for adventure out, you have to fill up your tank, your stomach, because it's going to be really tiring today. And we are going to drive and also do some adventure hike in some place. Okay, okay, na regu, This is rice and yogurt, traditional eating in Albania road trips. If you travel in Albania, basically always you get to eat things like this, and those are fast because they are prepared before and you just order and eat. So this is a highly recommended place from me. The best time to come here is probably in spring, May, because now it's really hot in Albania. You found in Albania temperature like 30 degrees till November. Global warming is destroying the earth. Okay, so here now we are in Tepelan town, which is one of the most picturesque towns in this river in Vjosa, and it's absolutely beautiful river. So down there is the Vjosa going villages and flows to the Adriatic Sea. So this was the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe.